And breaking news, the Hyderabad High Court now has directed the Andhra Pradesh police not to divulge any kind of information with regards to investigation into the Chittoor encounter. So that's a big development coming in the Andhra Pradesh High Court, directing the cops not to divulge any kind of information on the Tirupati encounter. Remember, this is an encounter which really has drawn a lot of controversy. It's really become a battle of states as far as Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu really goes. Imran with us for more details. Now, Imran, what really has been the court's view when it says that do not divulge any more information regarding this encounter?
The court has been very critical of the police's version of what happened on 7th of April, where the cops claimed that when the smugglers, woodcutters, had entered into forest to smuggle red sand, they were attacked, and in retaliation they killed down 20 of them. And following which, the AP Civil Liberties Union had filed a PIL in the High Court asking that the case should be booked under 302, which is murder on the cops. And hearing the petition, the cops had said that the applicant to move to the local police station and file an FIR under 302 section. And if the cops resist, then the court will direct them to do it. Now, there was a case hearing which was postponed today, and the court has taken very critical stand on the police and has asked police not to give out different information to the press which supports their theory. And it has said that it has posted the matter now for day after. It will be hearing a case where the petitioner is asking for a case to be booked under murder against the Andhra Pradesh police.
All right, so the Andhra Pradesh court, they're in fact instructing the police not to divulge any kind of information on that Chittoor encounter. Imran, for the moment, many thanks for those details.